Look who's here.
I'm back. Oh, person is crossing. Welcome to Morocco.
We are Lucy and Mark, and this is our van Tubi. After traveling for 4 years in over 30 countries, we came to Morocco for a complete van makeover. Last time Lucy packed her bags and started her journey back to Morocco. However, she was gutted that her last moments with mom and dad were ruined. But today, things are looking much brighter, as Lucy and I are about to reunite.
나 밖에 나오면 기다리고 있다 해가지고 지금 나가려고요. 그대가 내게 다가온다면 내게 말해줘.
So hot out here, guys. We are finally leaving this place. Lucy's coming back. Her flight is supposed to get in tonight. Anyways, for me, it's time to go. Time to go to Casablanca, finally. Salama. Go to the airport. I'm gonna stop by Carrefour. Haven't been there for a long time. If you know Lucy, you know that she needs 2 things in life. 1 is snacks and 2, beer. And I haven't had beer in this car for a long time. Why do I have to go to Carrefour? For those who don't know, only a few stores actually sell alcohol in Morocco. Being a predominantly Muslim country, I bought the beer, but you can see it's in the bag because you're not allowed to display it in the store. So you have to keep it bagged up. I don't know if you remember this place. I started my solo van life right here. So we have come full circle, I guess. Lucy is waiting in Frankfurt for her flight to come here, so I'm going to put away the groceries, clean up a little bit more, clean myself up because I'm pretty gross and stinky right now. Next time you see me, we'll probably be at the airport. Hey guys, I'm at the airport now. Probably won't be able to film inside because last time I filmed in there they got angry about it, so try not to get in trouble this time. Lucy! Hey baby!
Sorry it took so long.
It's okay. Really cute bag.
Yeah. My flight got delayed a little bit.
Yeah, I know. I saw in the thing.
Oh my god! 잘 있었어? Oh my god! You look great, baby.
Thank you. Look who's here.
I'm back. I'm back. Lucy's back.
Lucy is back. Let's go this way. So how much do we hate Lufthansa?
I just like really hate them. Ah, TV's there.
There's TV.
차는 왜 누가 갖다 주고 있는 거야? 우리 옆에.
It was already there.
Oh my god, you cleaned TV too.
A little bit. I didn't clean it like completely, but she's cleaned a little bit.
So weird. I'm sorry, I took a shower. I'm sweaty and dirty again. It's hot inside of the van.
Yeah, it's warm.
You cook garlic a lot then.
No, maybe it's just the garlic's been cooking in this heat.
Alright.
Alright.
Nice.
Alright, let's pack up.
Yeah.
Oh, my skin tone looks amazing on this camera.
It's a small screen.
There you go.
Hello.
Oh, you have to press record really hard.
Yeah.
Oh, the video quality is really good though.
I think it's a 2 point something K right now.
Oh wow.
Good morning.
Good morning. New camera.
Yeah, I brought from Korea.
Oh, it looks really good.
That's
really
nice.
good.
Nice. So, you know, back to the van life from washing dishes.
What do you think about van life?
Still, I cannot think well. The reason why I was traveling to get into Morocco, it took like 4 days, right? Do I look okay though? Is it okay?
Yeah, you look great.
4일 동안 완전 쩔어 있었는데.
You look amazing.
그래? 고마워. 항상 고마워. So guys, I'm a little bit shaking because it's too hot. I'm just adjusting weather too at the same time. And we're gonna leave here near the airport because we have another person to meet. He just arrived in Morocco just about 30 minutes ago, and we have to get ready to go. There's no break, Lucy. No time for you. No chill time, nothing. Just you know, suck
Right
it up.
back to work.
Suck it up, Buttercup. Just do it. So yeah, let's get ready to go.
I need a 9 dirham. Assalamualaikum. Just give me a 10 dirham. Oh, it's okay. Just give me a 10.
Oh.
There you go.
Thank you. Oh, person is crossing. Welcome to Morocco. Okay, we gotta exit, right? Exit. It's okay. You guys cannot guess where we are heading. It's almost 50 minutes away, and we are gonna have a surprise guest today. So he's coming down to Casablanca. He's heading to Casablanca, but there's not a place that we can camp together. So we decide to go to a place that we can, you know, meet each other and then relax a little bit. So we are gonna be there soon, and then he's gonna be there soon too, right? Yeah. So we are on the way, and then there he is, my lovely Mark. The chicken head.
There it is.
Oh, chicken 아니다, turkey.
This is probably, I don't know, like the 4th or 5th time we've gone over this bridge.
Come on, I don't remember.
You know me and bridges, honey. I'm not gonna forget a bridge.
You have a fetish about the bridge. I don't know why.
This is it.
Wow, this is huge.
On the right side is a club, on the left side is camping.
아, 클럽이 있어?
Yeah.
But non-drinking club, right?
I don't know. I've never been there.
Wow.
It's starting to get packed, huh?
Surprise, guys! We are back to the where Mark stayed while I was gone to Korea. Yeah, we were not planning to come back, but there's a surprise person who is coming down. Actually, he was heading to south, like Casablanca, and we were planning to meet there, but there's not a place that we can camp together and eat together, so we told him to like come here. So yeah, this is the place Mark stay, and it's really nice to see how he was living here. But you know what, I'm gonna end the vlog here because, you know, next episode we are gonna show who is the visitor, right?
Yeah.
His visit for setting up is quite hot. I'm still adjusting Moroccan heat right now. So anyways, see you next vlog. Hania, see you.
Bye-bye, guys. Is he here really? Oh wow, I'll talk to him. Jose! What's up, buddy?
I was just right.
Yeah,
Taking
good.
Video, yeah? Nice video.